Hey everybody, I'm glad you're here. I have a really quick life-changing tip if you don't know what the find and replace text feature is on Canva. But first, can you look at my background? Isn't that fun? Like I look like a real affiliate, and I'm not. I just love Canva. So, all right, here I am. I'm on Canva, and I made a big, huge mistake on one of my products on TPT the other day, and that's how I found this. But I'm going to show you maybe a more common use case for this. So digital marketing is huge. You may go to Etsy and buy one of these digital marketing templates that I have purchased many of. I don't want to admit how many because I can't decide. And they come with a ton of slides with placeholders. This one is beautiful. Not the look that my personal image is going for, but Andrew Pixel made it on Etsy. Shameless plug. I don't know who he is. But as I was going through another one of his templates last night, I was seeing that it was tedious trying to change every little placeholder to the same thing, like right here, Miss G's room 30, okay? So what if I wanted to change the same thing on multiple slides, because there's 180 slides in here, but I didn't want to do it to every single one? Well, let me show you right now. So I know that the next few slides all have yourwebsite.com down here. If I don't want to type my website 18 times, I don't have to anymore. I'm going to press Command F on the keyboard or go to File, Find and Replace Text, Command F or File, Find and Replace Text. I'm going to actually just copy and paste his text so I don't mess it up. I've been known to do that before. Okay, so I want this tool to find all instances of this in the entire document, and I want to replace it with Miss G's room 30.com. Boom. Now, if I wanted to match the case, I could or I don't have to. Anytime it says any of these yourwebsite.com, no matter if it's capitalized or not, then we're going to go with it. I could replace this one instance right here on my screen, or I could go to replace all. I'm going to click on replace all. Look what happens. All 81 matches were replaced in the entire document, you guys. This alone saves me hours. Okay, MissG'sRoom30.com, MissG'sRoom30.com. Do I need to say it again? All right, that is your find and replace text tool. Canva, use it. I don't think you can abuse it, so we're good. All right, see you next time.